How to create TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a TikTok account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to create a TikTok account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, you can just come to the profile icon, and here you can see it'll ask me to log in. Now to create an account, you can tap the login option and select the option called don't have an account, sign up. So make sure to tap the sign up option here, and here you can see the login option. So from here you can see use your phone, email, username, or whatever else it is that you prefer. So if you want to actually use with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Instagram, you can also go ahead and see that, or you can just tap the sign up option and create an account using any of these. So let me just select Google for example. I'll just tap on it and I'll successfully select my Google account, and I'll be successfully logged into my Google TikTok account. This way you'll be able to create a TikTok account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.